Welcome to Investing Alpha, where market insights meet smart investing strategies. In today's dynamic financial landscape, staying informed is crucial for making sound investment decisions. This channel is dedicated to empowering investors with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the complexities of the stock market effectively. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, Investing Alpha aims to provide valuable content that helps you understand market trends, analyze stocks, and develop strategies that align with your financial goals. Each video is designed to break down complex concepts into digestible insights, making it easier for you to grasp the nuances of investing. Today, discover the top trending stocks that analysts are buzzing about and learn how to elevate your investment game with the latest insights. By focusing on stocks that are currently gaining traction among analysts, viewers will gain a competitive edge in identifying potential opportunities for growth. Join the Investing Alpha community as we explore the latest market developments, share expert opinions, and provide actionable tips that can enhance your investment strategy. Together, let's unlock the secrets to successful investing and strive for financial independence. In the fast-paced world of investing, knowing which stocks are trending can make a significant difference. Recent analysis has highlighted key stocks that are gaining traction among analysts, providing investors with valuable insights that can guide their investment decisions. The trending stocks feature allows users to filter stocks based on ratings from the last 30 days, last 7 days, or even the last 72 hours. This tool is essential for identifying which stocks are currently capturing analyst attention. By keeping track of these trends, investors can position themselves strategically in the market. Here are the top 3 most rated stocks over the past 72 hours. First on the list is Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL. This global technology powerhouse focuses on database software, cloud solutions, and enterprise IT services. In just 72 hours, Oracle has received an impressive 27 ratings from analysts, reflecting a growing confidence in the company's future. The surge in ratings is attributed to the company's strong cloud revenue expectations and a monumental $300 billion deal with OpenAI, which has the potential to revolutionize the tech landscape. Analysts are optimistic, with a consensus rating of strong buy and an average price target of $393.90, indicating a potential upside of 13.89%. This suggests that investors may find significant value in Oracle as it continues to innovate and expand its offerings. Next up is Adobe, known for its suite of creative and digital solutions, including popular applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Acrobat. Adobe's stock, ADBE, has garnered 22 ratings in the past 3 days, showcasing the excitement surrounding the company. This influx of ratings follows the company's impressive fiscal third-quarter earnings, which exceeded analysts' expectations by a considerable margin. The strong performance indicates that Adobe is effectively navigating the competitive landscape and capitalizing on the growing demand for digital content creation. The consensus rating for Adobe is moderate buy, with an average price target of $446, suggesting an enticing upside of 34.26%. This growth potential makes Adobe a compelling option for investors looking to tap into the digital transformation trend. Finally, Chewy, the online retailer specializing in pet food and supplies, is making waves in the market. The stock, CHWY, has been rated 20 times in the last 72 hours, following the company's successful Q2 sales and earnings report that surpassed estimates. Chewy's ability to adapt to changing consumer behaviors and preferences has positioned it well within the e-commerce space. Analysts have given Chewy a strong buy consensus, with an average price target of $46, reflecting a potential upside of 31.58%. This growth trajectory highlights Chewy's strong brand loyalty and the increasing trend of pet ownership, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Investors looking to enhance their strategies can benefit from premium investing tools that unlock powerful analytics, advanced data, and expert insights, empowering them to make informed decisions. With features like analyst ratings, price targets, and detailed stock analysis, these resources equip investors with the necessary tools to navigate the complexities of the stock market. Another valuable resource is a comprehensive portfolio management tool This tool provides insights into the stocks held within a portfolio, allowing for detailed analysis of performance metrics. Users can compare their portfolios against those of top investors, gaining perspective on their performance and identifying areas for improvement. Recent upgrades to this tool include AI-generated explanations for stock movements and the ability to track assets on a watch list. This innovative feature helps investors understand the reasons behind stock fluctuations, enabling them to make more informed decisions. With its user-friendly interface, the portfolio management tool helps investors make data-driven decisions, enhancing their overall investment experience. By leveraging these insights, investors can better align their strategies with market trends and capitalize on emerging opportunities. In summary, the current market landscape features Oracle, Adobe, and Chewy as the top-rated stocks, each backed by strong analyst support and promising growth potential. These companies not only exhibit robust financial performance, but also demonstrate adaptability in their respective industries. Oracle's innovative cloud solutions, Adobe's leadership in digital creativity, and Chewy's commitment to customer satisfaction position them favorably for future growth. Investors are encouraged to explore these opportunities and leverage the insights available to refine their investment strategies. As this video wraps up, remember that the world of investing is ever evolving. To stay ahead, it's essential to keep learning and adapting. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Investing Alpha for more insights into the stock market. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trends and investment strategies. Join the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts and strategies with the Investing Alpha community. Together, let's build a foundation for smarter investing. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.